forgiveness and asking, Lord, I'm so sorry for making some form of idols. And I thank you, Lord, for reminding me. Nagkakaintindihan? Kaya ho, balik ho tayo dito.
Hindi pa tayo mag-distribute sa ating mga local government units. So patuloy kaming nakikipag-ugnayan sa mga local government units na kunin na yung mga goods. Ang instruction ng Pangulo naman sa akin kahapon, siguraduhin na hindi kami maubos.
Who do not walk according to the law but according to the Spirit. Ano sasabi niya? Isipin niya niligtas ka ni Jesus. Hindi dahil nagawa mo yung law, dahil nasunod mo. Wala nga, hindi mo nga kaya eh. Kaya siya na mismo.
お主の手で取り戻せ百姓たちの平和な暮らしよ。
さすがはマスタークチャ。なんと流暢な忍びマントラだろうか。
To a height of about 25 meters. Realizing the potential significance of his find, Aratake alerted marine scientists, including Professor Masaki Kimura of can be found all over the world, in India, in Peru, Italy, and Egypt. The entrances are adorned with the same rectangular carvings, which is
Nasabi niya, when the king heard the words of the law, he tore his clothes. Grabe yung fear niya kay God, no? Nung makita niya na yung word, kasi hinanap na hanap nila eh. Nung narinig niya, pinulit siya kagad.
and the effort required to quarry, transport, and shape such a massive stone indicate that it held considerable significance. The site's proximity to other key archaeological could be extremely old. This observation is particularly compelling given the polygonal style's efficacy in seismic zones. This construction technique
Yan ay idols. Di ba kaya ka nga sumasamba sa Diyos na to because you're thinking that this God will give me protection, that this God will provide for me, that this God
toughness break. Dude, even the TLDR is too long. Sasuke's wife also has 2 major traces that give her extra charge from defeating bosses at elites, and also one that increases break damage based on her attack. Rappa only needs to get to about
akin eh. Eh kung kaya mo nga kausapin ng aso, yan pa. Kaya mo yan. Eh yung boss ko yung kausapin, hindi, kaya mo yan, takbo ka kay God. Nakikita yung nangyayari sa atin. Hindi nyo ba nakikita yung kahirapan natin hinaharap dahil sa hindi natin pagsunod sa Diyos because of the idols, because of the effect of worshiping idols.
to deploy them, then we will deploy them as part of the menu of our services para ma-identify natin kung ano yung mga immediate needs. And from there, we will also identify if there are
na namin ipasa sa mga otoridad at sana matulungan na sila agad-agad. Kaya ngayon humingi pa ako ng update sa kanila.
Okay, thank you, Sean.
Ito may pumapasok na tawag ngayon.
Po dito Miss Susie, si Miss Lucia sa kanta, ayan.
Out for a low pressure area in the south.
Yes. Actually, we were talking about it with the OCD and our friends from NAPOCOR and PPA. There's a brewing low pressure.
There are many more mysterious stone structures in Japan, the origin of which is mostly unknown. For example, there's the Sakafune Ishi, a mysterious
Marias kasi simula pa lang ng araw, pero sakit sa ulo na ang sumalubong sa mga motorista sa ilang bahagi ng Kamanava dahil nga sa baha.
volcanic eruptions. This gigantic megalith weighs around 500 tons, and it's about 15 feet high and 15 feet deep, which is around 5 meters. This makes
sa balita, yan ang aming anata.
Soonest, I think it will be a go kung wala namang magiging problema because we have existing ASEAN partnership agreements.
I think ang if I can read it, donation na nalikom nila is for continuous efforts and activities of the SWD. So right now as we speak, meron tayong isang shipment ng rice na nasa pier na due for release.
本質は同じ。いずれ風に吹き落とされる。ドリームカムトゥルーコラボ。 宴の星からの招待状が届いたの。待って、この漢字、すっごく身に覚えがあるんだけど。
Hininga na rin po ang bawat port management office ng parang estimated number of food bags na kakailanganan namin para po doon sa prepositioning. All 3 meals po ba?
Kaしこまりました。こちらで皆様の無料パスポートをアクティベートいたしましたので、ピノコニーで再び楽しいひとときをお過ごしください。
Inaayos pa at ongoing pa po yung isinasagawang assessment at restoration efforts po dito sa mga areas na to.
Ano yan, mga nabagsakan ng puno, yung mga poste ninyo?
Pero ito sinasabi niya, sorry, maabante siya. Sinasabi niya, may you just take his words seriously. Now this is what I'm telling you. Christians, before I pay, minsan nakakalimutan ko dahil natuwa ko, ay, ang ganda neto. Only to find out, pagdating naman, palpak, walang gamit. Di ba kanina nga ako, kinausap ako ng Diyos eh.
Take a look at the spectacular rock-cut tombs in Kyushu. These tombs are hewn into the sides of hills and cliffs, utilizing the natural rock formations as both.
Sinong ng anak ko, si Papa maa-addict yan sa Angry Bird. Naisip ko, Lord, idol ba to? Kaya tinanggal ko na kagad yung Angry Bird sa sa
and consistency of the markings, which conventional tools of the periods attributed to these sites would struggle to achieve. What sets the Oya stone quarry apart from that on Mount
ka ng Diyos, binibigyan ka ng bagong buhay. Para yung buhay na gusto ng Diyos para sa iyo, yun ang may pamuhay mo dahil yun ang buhay na totoong may katuturan. Andiyan pa kayo? Okay tayo?
Ng update si Pag-asa is paiba-iba yung track ng bagyo, and the rain bands of the typhoon is paiba-iba rin. Kaya yung adaptability ng operations ni Napo
indicates that the builders not only had the tools necessary to work granite, but also a profound understanding of stone masonry. The site is associated with several legends. In 1986, a local diver named Kihachiro Aratake was scouting for a good spot to observe hammerhead sharks. As Aratake explored the water, I was reportedly governed by a mysterious sorceress named Himiko. Its exact location has never been identified, nor have the causes of its vanishing been understood. Required precise stone carving skills and a deep understanding of rock properties to ensure that the chambers were stable and would not collapse over time. But here's where things get
にしてさっさとチェックインするぞ。
At sinabi na nila ang kanilang buong totoong pangalan at ipinakita talaga yung kanilang mga mukha.
Ano pong papel nung 5 kapwa-akusado ni Kibuloy sa sistema ng pang-aabuso?
Faces indicate that this was a sacred area reserved for individuals of high status or spiritual significance. Strangely, similar sites can be found on
幸福の気配が満ちていたのだ。しかしお猿忍者という名の悪党が任侠を殺害。
Extraordinary megalith to groundwater makes some theorize that the site could be some kind of energy generator that interacts with the water beneath it. Locals also associate them, and to extract so many tons of material reflects the sophisticated capabilities of the people who made them. The unique rectangular engraving found on the entrances of many of these
Appeal sa Department of Justice at yung ilan sa kanila ay may kaso na rin o nagtetestigo sa mga kaso kahit pa sa Amerika kung saan may 4 na kasong
with other ancient artifacts and ruins, suggesting it was once part of a larger piece or construction. A Japanese researcher by the name of Hiroshi Hayashi
hawak-hawak ng mga idolo. I'm telling you, you come to God today and He will help you to let it go. Maaring hindi ngayon, maaring ilang taon, pero isang bagay totoo. He will give you the power.
Ano po yung iba? May iba pa?
Isa na lang.
Ito po, portable na nebulizer po ito.
Kaya pala meron ganito.
Kasi di ba usually may ganun din sa
Makikita po natin malaki, may hose, tapos may mga...
さあ存分に味わえ。
joy, yung kanyang blessings, kasi hangad ng Diyos ang kabutihan para sa atin. Kaya naman yung utos niya, hindi yun para sa atin para pahirapan tayo, kundi para tayo ay tulungan na
Yan ay dahil pag-aari mo, iyo yan. Ayaw mong ipagamit sa iba dahil masisira. Yun yung jealousy. Kaya nga sa mag-asawa, pwede yung jealousy.
Ancient burial tombs. The name Yoshimi Hayakwana translates to 100 holes of Yoshimi. This site consists of 216 ancient burial caves. Faces indicate that this was a sacred area reserved for individuals of high status or spiritual significance. Strangely, similar sites can be found on
Ilang mga kaibigan.
Ayan, sabi ng Panginoon Diyos sa Timoteo, for those who want to live a godly life, expect persecution. Kasi talagang ganyan, kasabi ng Panginoon, kami rin, ako, kung anong ginagawa nila sa iyo,
Ninja は聞かれたら必ず答える。どうもはじめまして AKA ランハです。立たねばならぬ時に立たねば。
Opo. At habang nasasalaysay itong mga nag-aakusa, anong naobserbahan niyo po kay Buloy?
Yung expression din niya, tinitignan namin siya. It's
洋蘭人形水産ザダ
hangin. Makikita niyo po yung gate nila ganyan, lumalaban yung hangin talaga sa kanya. Buti nila nakasarado siyang ganyan. Pero strong winds dyan sa may Mandaue City. Galing yan kay Annie Rose.
experiencing. Nagsobrang thankful ako sa tatay ko at nanay ko because they submitted themselves to God. Nagkakaintindihan po. They turned their backs on their own idols and followed.
Tama ng bata ito. Kayo po. Hello po. Ano pong pangalan natin?
Ray po, Ray.
Ray po. Okay. So, okay naman po kayo dito?
Okay naman so far.
Okay. Ayan. Ako, tuloy-tuloy lang ang pamimigay natin ng tulong dito.
We are helping augment the food requirements sa loob ng mga evacuation centers.
Kasi nabanggit dito si Presidente, yung sa rubber boats, pag nakapasok na yung
nilang subukang suungin ang kalsadang ito. Umabot daw sa hanggang sa lagpas bewang ang tubig baha noong kasagsagan ng tuloy-tuloy at malakas na pag-uulan kagabi na nagpaapaw ng creek sa lugar.
Formative years ng mga bata, huwag nating sasayangin yon. Now, pansinin po ninyo, sa maraming magulang, hindi nila iniintindi yung mga bata, takbo ng takbo, lakad ng lakad. In your interest, in your relationships, in your schedule, and even in your trouble. Naintindihan? Lagi yan nilalagay sa utak ko para hindi ko
Dr. Kimura's hypothesis is supported by comparisons to known ancient constructions, particularly those involving large stone blocks or megalithic